Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-STEP and VTube-Laser software. In VTube-STEP software, what we can do is import models of tubes and then extract the centerline data and the bender data and send it out to tube benders very quickly. Another thing that you can do inside VTube-STEP is to import models with holes and now round slots drilled into the tube model itself. And then we can extract that information and set up the nominals for that, and then use that to measure and compare measured data against the nominal or the master data for the round slots. So in this video, what I would like to do is show you how you can now import round slots inside VTube in order to measure them in VTube-Laser. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Import the model, then zoom in on the round slots. Go to Collected Features Control, and in the Spinner control, go down to the cylinder drill surface and tell it you want to start collecting the cylinder drill surfaces. Now what I'm doing here is I'm selecting the first surface, then I'm holding the Shift key down, and I'm selecting the second surface, then I'm pressing the right mouse button. Now I've switched to the other side of the tube and I'm repeating the process with the first straight, and I'm selecting the first surface using the mouse button, and then I'm holding the Shift key down and selecting the second surface, and then I am right-clicking. A right click on the mouse indicates that we're done with the selection. Now I close the control, and you can see that what I want to do here is I want to rebuild the drill bit bosses, I call them, and I have two places where you can do that. And you can see here I've rebuilt the drill bit bosses. We're going to use these to create circles. Now switch over to the Space Objects menu and click on Create Circle from a drill bit boss. And when you do push that button, VTube knows that you intend to work with the constructed features. So it's going to show you the constructed features menu. Click on the first row, and then you start setting the values here in the filter setup, and then you run test builds until you like what you see as far as where the circle is, on which side of the boss and which way it's pointing, and then you create the actual circle. Then you move to the next one and repeat the process. Now VTube has 4 circles that it can use to create round slots. Go to the Create Round Slot from Circles control and choose Circle 1 and then Circle 2, and then set the filter setup, and then go ahead and test build the slot. If you like what you see, then go ahead and create a new nominal round slot from the current test build. Now we can build the second slot by using circles 3 and 4 like this. Now if you go into the Space Objects control, you're going to see 2 new rows that show round slot 1 and round slot 2. And you give focus to the one you want to look at, and you're going to see all sorts of metrics over here that indicate the numbers that were created by importing this round slot. These are the nominal values that can be used to compare against in VTube-Laser. You can even build a report that shows the nominal values by going into the Space Objects control, get into the metrics grid like this, and then click on any of the metric values that you want to report on. Use the Space Objects report template to create this report. So that's how easy it is to import round slot data into VTube-STEP to use later with VTube-Laser for measuring round slots to compare them against the imported nominal data. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to email me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.